I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better.
Kami today. And then after SM Taytay, di ba?
2002.
Di ba? Misono. Libre naman niya today.
We were only 11.
Saan ako babawi? Pag sahod ko, pagkapasok.
Like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true.
Ang traffic! Sobrang traffic. Sobrang traffic, guys.
Where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride.
Lilibot kami, titingin kami ng mga bibili para sa mga babies namin. Mapapangasawa ko.
Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers.
We're here.
Yeah, we are. When we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002.
Okay. Para mahirap mag-vlog ng magtitingin ng damit, mamaya na lang ulit. Kasi titingin kami ng mga damit for kids. Kain muna, pork show man. Sa'yo, shark skin. Una yung kain bago bili. Yeah, pork.
Dancing on a hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Oh, now, oops, I got down and I'm promising you bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our
Parang gusto ko ulit kumain. We're here. Asan yung mga pinamigay? Yun. Nakapili na kami ng iba. So, titingin pa kami ng iba pa. Ibang damit pa. Saan pupunta, love? Love. Saan pupunta? Hinahanap yung exit. Hindi makita yung CR this way. CR ka ba? Parang umikot na tayo dito. Hoy, I need notebook.
Ha?
Problem.
Sige. No, hindi pala iso. Hindi, ako na muna. Sige,
Yun. Sarap. Puro kami kain. Pero nakabili na kami ng konting damit. So, konting damit pa. Marami pang budget. See it. Later na lang ulit. Nakapamalengke na kami. Super haggard na. Sa sobrang daming bibilin doon, nakakahilo, nakakapagod.
nakakapagod. Tsaka wala kang mapipili. Wala kang mabili katulad dyan. Wala kami masyadong nabili kahit expected namin madami dapat kami bibilin.
Sobra-sobra.
Yung budget sobra-sobra. Siguro budget 5K naging 2K na lang dahil sa hindi ko na kaya, pagod na ako. Hindi ko na kaya maglibot-libot ulit. Hindi kaya ng isang araw maglibot.
Diesel.
Wow! Pam-pam!
Hindi ka
Pam-pam!
makakagalaw.
Pam-pam! Mahal na mahal ako niyan eh. Diba? Oh, ano? Hindi! Mahal na mahal ako niyan eh.
Marian.
Ayaw lang umamin, Marian. Kung hindi kasi dingdong kahit ako si Marian. Sige na, bye guys! Thanks for watching! Next vlog again, sasayaw si Rom ng sayaw, Kikay! Sayaw, Kikay! Bye!